Hi there, Dizo is back with a bang with the newly launched R-Talk Go. Now as you can see, we have 3 units with us, out of which 2 we're going to do giveaways for. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. Now these come with huge upgrades. Firstly, dual health sensors which help for more precise tracking. Then single chip Bluetooth calling which helps for better battery life. 80% slimmer bezels, 100 plus sports modes and so much more. Man, I can't resist. So let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here are all the 3 Dizo R-Talk Go's. You can see the image of the watch right here. Let's open all of them. So we have 3 different colors: classic black, thunder blue and silver white. The user manual and the pogo pin charging cable that aligns and attaches magnetically as you bring it closer. By the way, it also holds on really well, so it won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. We'll start with the white one because I truly find white very attractive. By the way, I love that the bezels are so slim. They have this nice silver finish to it which makes it look very classy. It's got a nice sporty look in fact. Now the frame and the bezel are made of plastic. The side comes with this really nice soft texture. Feels really nice. The other side you can spot 2 buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom. You can spot the microphone here which is going to be helpful for phone calls. Soft silicone straps, quality is really nice. You can spot the Dizo branding on the loop. Buckle design with chrome finish, and this chrome finish kind of matches with the silver bezel. Looks really cool. Moving towards the back, it's made of plastic. You can spot the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals up here. Here you can spot the speaker which is going to be helpful for phone calls. Now these are 22mm bands which can be replaced with third-party bands. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Alright, let's have a look at the other 2. Now what I'm going to do is hold these 2 side by side so you can have a better look at them. There you go. Wow, black looks like a stealth tank, very sporty and classy. That's why it's called classic black. And thunder blue is very cool actually. It's got a really nice navy blue color. So you can spot the bezels here as well. Very nice, slim, same button placements. You can spot the microphone, soft silicone straps. Now the buckle here is also color coordinated with the frame. Check this out. That blue and black goes so well with the frame. The back too, you can spot the same sensors and the charging terminals. Also worth mentioning, the watch is really light, so you can very comfortably wear it to bed to track your sleep. Alright, let's quickly pair it. So first we go to the Play Store and look for the app Dizo Active. By the way, this app is also available for iPhones on the App Store. Then you click on these 4 dots here, click Add Device, press and hold the button on the side of the watch. You'll see the Dizo branding with vibration, and here you see Dizo Watch R-Talk Go. Click OK on the watch, and there you go. Pairing is complete in a matter of seconds. The watch comes with IP68 waterproof ratings. You can wear it at the gym, you can wear it for a run, you can wear it in the shower, you can wear it in the rain. Coming to the display. So as you press this button on the top, it will wake up the display. Once you press it again, it will turn it off. The lower button is to quickly launch workouts. There you go. So now this is a 1.39-inch LCD display with a high resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. Now if you look closely, it's a high resolution display, color reproduction is brilliant and the interface is really smooth. The blacks are also pretty good. It comes with 550 nits of peak brightness. As you can see, we're wearing it outdoors. It's very clearly visible. Also worth noticing are the extremely slim bezels. Now if you see closely here, when it's a black watch face, obviously you can't see a lot. But if you see here, the black bezel on the side is very thin. It's almost an edge-to-edge display. Press and hold in the center to change watch faces. There are a couple that come pre-installed. This is an analog one. Check this out. The bezels completely blend in. Then you have this, and finally the color ones. There are more to download from the app, which I'll show you in just a moment. Now let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from the top to access your missed call alerts and notifications. Swipe right to access the quick toggles. You have do not disturb. You can adjust the brightness from here. Check that out. Gets really bright. Then there's battery saving. Raise the wrist to wake the display toggle on and off. You can use the watch display as a torchlight. Then settings. Here is the Bluetooth for phone. It's enabled. If you want vibration, if you want to make phone calls, we'll quickly browse through the settings. You have display settings. There's watch faces, there's screen time, there's menu style. Then there's vibration intensity, fit notifications, battery, QR code, system and about. Now if you swipe from down, you can actually access the menu. Check that out. So you have all your workouts, your heart rate, your SpO2, sleep tracking. But there's something really exciting that I saw here. There's breath training, there's mood tracking, there's stress tracking, there's fatigue tracking. That's something really nice. Now this is the list style. If you want, you can go into the display settings and you can change it to nest style, which will give you that honeycomb design. There's spin style. I think even this is really cool. Coming to phone calling, well, you can actually make and answer phone calls directly from the RTalk Go. All you need to do is go into the menu, go to the phone app. Here you'll see recent calls, dial pad and contacts. We're going to the dial pad and just randomly dialing a number. There you go, the phone call is being made. The audio hearing right now is from the watch, so clear and loud. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly from your watch. The ringtone you're hearing is from the watch speakers. It's really loud and clear. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call, answer the call or silent the ringer. Now as you answer the call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch. You can mute the microphone, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can even control the speaker volume of the watch, and you can end the call directly from here as well. So convenient. The phone calling experience was really good. Bluetooth 5.2 makes sure that calls are stable with no delay. Noise cancellation makes sure that the other person can hear you clearly. In fact, in most scenarios, the other person would think you're talking from your phone. It's that good. We also tested it outdoors and surprisingly the experience was as good as indoors. Also, you can toggle off phone calling option from the settings if you don't want to answer or make calls from your watch. The biggest issue with Bluetooth calling smartwatches when you play a video on your phone, the audio comes from the watch speaker. Sometimes that's very annoying. Well, now you can turn off the media audio from the settings. It's such a blessing. However, for those who like to listen to the music on their watch speakers, can simply turn it on. Then we also receive app notifications on the watch, though I would say it's a little delayed compared to what it comes on the phone. Like it's already arrived on the phone. It took about 3 to 4 seconds to come on the watch. But here you can see the sender's name, the app icon and read the message right on the display as well. Coming to health tracking. Well, we first placed it on the table to check for the sensors can detect that. And immediately it says measure failed. So let's wear it and test it. Also the watch comes with dual health sensors for more precise tracking. We tested the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, mood tracking, stress tracking and even fatigue tracking. Frankly, it's nice to see so many trackers on a budget smartwatch. The readings were also quite accurate. However, always remember, these are just smartwatches and not medical equipment. So use this just for your personal reference. So let's check out the raise the wrist to wake the display. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was really fast. Let's check out one more time. 1, 2, 3. Pretty fast. So raise the wrist to wake the display works very well on this watch. Check that out. Too good. Coming to workouts. So this watch comes with over 110 workout modes. Press this button at the bottom to quickly access the workout modes. Outdoor running, outdoor cycling, strength training, football, badminton, swim tracking, yoga, outdoor walk, mountaineering, skiing, freestyling, gymnastic, jump rope, tennis, walking. But these are just 15. I just mentioned 110. Where are the rest? Well, the rest are in the app. Now you take your phone, go to the Dizo Active app and come down to Sports Push. Now here you'll find the 15 workouts that are already on the watch. Here are the rest of them which you can put on the watch when needed. So it's really nice. Whatever you need, you put. Whatever you don't need, you remove. So suppose I don't need gymnastic, I remove it. Free training I don't need. Skiing I don't need. I rather put table tennis and I put basketball and I'll put cricket and I'll click OK. Now let's see the watch. Let's go all the way down and here you'll see I have table tennis, I have basketball and cricket. So whatever workouts you need, you can access directly from here. Now we also used this watch briefly for an outdoor workout and it was very accurate when it came to its reading. Right on the top you can see the heart rate, the pace, the duration, calories burnt, steps taken, the distance, and when you press this button on the side and end your workout, you can see the summary of your full workout. By the way, all this data will also sync to the Dizo Active app, which you can refer to in the future. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 300 mAh battery and Dizo claims it will last for 10 days with typical use without phone calling. With phone calling, it will last for 9 days. See, this is the difference when there is a single chip pairing. Better battery life even with Bluetooth calling. Let's have a quick look at the Dizo Active app. So right here on the home page, you can see the steps taken, the calories burned, heart rate, sleep tracking, blood oxygen, pressure, fatigue. You can even edit these tiles as per your convenience. Then in sports mode, you can actually use the phone's GPS to track your outdoor runs, outdoor workout or outdoor cycling. Very, very helpful. Then in watch faces, there is a huge collection of analog and digital watch face that you can download from here. So suppose you like these kind of watch faces, you click on more and there you can see you can download so many more. Let's quickly change one. There you go. Similarly, you can also save custom watch faces. You can choose an image from your phone gallery as a watch face. You can crop the image, and once that's done, you can see that the image will show up on the screen like this. But sadly, there is no way to change the time up or down, which can be a hindrance because you can't see the image behind at times. But anyway, then if you come to me, right here you see notice, where you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then here is the mail list, your health settings, heart rate detection, blood oxygen settings, emotional stress, reminder, water clock, camera shutter, find device, do not disturb. You can push sports modes on the watch, problem center, feedback and about. The only thing missing on this app is that you cannot share data with Google Fit or Strava. I wish we had that. Apart from that, it's a pretty clean app. So the Dizo Watch R-Talk Go is priced at $3,499. Now remember, this is an introductory price and a smashing deal for what it offers. Thin bezels, big round display, 550 nits of brightness, single chip Bluetooth calling, accurate health tracking and the gorgeous sporty looks. The only thing I wish it had is an AMOLED display. But trust me, the quality of the LCD display on this is almost at par. This watch goes on sale on 30th November at 12 PM. I'll share the links of all the colors in the description. This one is definitely worth checking out. Alright, giveaway time. 2 giveaways we're going to do out of these 3 and you can decide which color you want. Follow the instructions in the description and make sure you don't miss any of them or your vote won't be counted. Trust me, this one is worth winning. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.